Great Heelys, we're back with Marley. So anyway, what we're working on is shaping that behavior of heel. Because he's such a bad puller, you've got to really invest in the subtask of I don't want the leash made tight, because at full size, he's going to be able to drag someone down the street. So I've got my leash hooked to that electronic collar. I'm going to do the pager every time I turn. The key is to be able to turn him with that pager and to teach him to give into the pressure of that leash. Oh, he's in detention this week. No correction. If I start having a reaction to him doing this, I'm just going to do it even worse. And I will tell you, you guys, with a lot of them, once you stop them from pulling, you do refocus their attention that way. So adding my pager. I don't know if you guys remember Being the Boxer, but that's what that one used to do. Remember we had the slow-mo crystal with that one, fighting the leash. So anytime that leash is getting tight, I'm adding that pager, holding it down. Pressure on there is just steady pressure. Starting to get the idea, but it takes time. When people tell me after 1 week they've already got it healing, I say, well, after another week it's not going to be doing it because you did not invest the time. Every time I'm on that turn, though, I'm doing that pager. We might start him healing by the end of the week, but because he's such a bad puller, you see how he really stopped the leash fighting thing. If I would have tried to engage him and no, and pulled it out of his mouth, and that would have been big fun. So I'm holding it down, just steady, keeping moving. So that's the beginning of heel right there. So, eventually we'll call that heel. Holding it down, letting it down. Turning him with that pager. You could start to add a little treat right there. Oh, Marley just loves the treats. We got so many things right there. specifying which side to be on, but if I can have him on. I'm doing the pager on every turn. And Gary did kind of turn his head. He still got the leash though. He wants to go away. Alright guys, we'll be right back with the recall.